Just having a good time on my drive home, enjoying my music. Have a quick listen. When all of a sudden this driver from Missouri comes up to tailgate and high beam me just because I am doing the posted speed limit. I intermittently tap the brakes without brake checking to try to fend them off, but watch what happens once they get in front. They show their IQ, which is hardly anything, being that Missouri is one of the least educated states in the country. All of it was for no gain. As you can see, they're exiting and they're only maybe a second or so ahead of me.
God, it's brutal out here.
And that is it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Here's a preview of the next episode. We are in the final weeks of 2023. We can still be better on the roads. I know we can do it. Let's go.